likes Sam, but Sam likes fishing, so she'll choose Richard for a fee. The doctor is busy, he's at the golf course,
but Nancy can kiss it to make it 12.
Randy and Ann are always in trouble. Fred the beggar never feels very well. If you need help, the policeman is there. The lifeguard is watching over beach and sea. Come and fly to Cartoon Island. It's the only place to be.
Change. Spare change, anyone? Change.
What are you doing here?
Would you believe window shopping?
No, not unless your rich uncle died and left you a fortune. I think it's more likely that you're waiting for shoppers to come out, hoping they'll take pity on you and give you some change.
I could certainly use some change. I haven't eaten in 1, 2...
Oh, you know, I've heard all that before. I don't want you sitting here bothering the shoppers. You'll have to move along.
I'm really not here to bother the shoppers. I just saw Lydia go in, and she looked really upset.
Lydia? Upset? Well, what do you suppose she's upset about?
I don't know. I was hoping to find out.
Why, Miss Lydia, no need to get yourself excited. You'll mess up your hair, and it looks so lovely today. Is that a new style?
Don't you try to sweet-talk me! I'm here about this bill!
Yes, of course. Well, if you'll just put it down, I'll see what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about! This bill is an outrage! I won't pay a penny!
Well, let me see. There's a service charge here. It's $20 for a man to come to your house.
I don't care if the charge is $1. I won't pay it!
Well, $20 is our standard fee. You've had men out to the house before. This should come as no surprise to you.
When I've had a man out to the house, I expect to see him! I expect to have some work done!
Oh, whatever could you mean?
No one came to the house! I waited at home all day, but nobody came! And then today, you send me this bill! It's just an outrage!
Well, Miss Lydia, there must be some mistake. I sent my new clerk, Sam, out there myself.
You mean that nice young man with the goatee?
Yes, that's the one. He went out there by 2 and he was back by 4.
Well, I certainly didn't see him. If he had come, I would have seen him. I was home all day.
I don't understand. It says right here, arrived 2:30, rang bell again, rang bell again. No answer, back at shop by 4. I can't understand this.
Well, I can. Don't you remember why I asked you to send a man out?
No, I'm sorry, I can't.
It's right here on this bill. Here, let me read it to you. Send a man to fix broken doorbell! No $20!
Come back soon to Cartoon Island, away to the sun and the sand and sea. Come back soon to Cartoon Island, it's the only place to be. There's no fishing on Cartoon Island, but there's a party almost every night.
There's so much fun on Cartoon Island.
You're gonna want to go back home again. Come back soon to Cartoon Island, away to the sun and the sand and sea. Come back soon to Cartoon Island, it's the only place to